Hey, this is Todd. So I'm talking to you today about what is interim interest. When you see mortgage advertisements or hear them and they talk about skipping a monthly payment or they talk about deferring it or whatever this means. So I want to make sure you know there are no free days when it comes to a mortgage. You're going to be charged interest every single day, but people don't know about this. So let's just take a timeline. We'll just say this is our timeline right here. And this is, and I'll just use regular months here and say, all right, if this is January, February, March, and April, all right? So one thing to consider is when you are renting a house, on January 1st, you pay because you are going to live in the property for the month of January. But when you buy a house and you have a mortgage, you pay because you just lived in the property. You pay the mortgage interest in arrears. So February, you pay for January's interest. In March, you pay for February's interest. All right, so knowing that, we're going to look at this and let's assume that you're going to buy a house and you are going to close on the middle of January, we'll say. Right here is closing date. All right. So you can't make a partial mortgage payment. So what happens is on closing day, you bring in the interim interest to get you through the rest of the month of January. Then you don't have a payment February 1st. You live in the property all the way until March 1st. And on March 1st, you pay because you lived in the property in February. So this skip a payment, it's because you brought in that interim interest, which, dang it, I think I just shut it down, but which actually does show up on the closing statement when you buy the house under interim interest for the number of days. So that's what that means. Renters, when you're a renter, you pay because you are going to live there. When you're a homeowner, you pay because you lived there already. All right, hope that makes sense. If there's anything more you got questions on, ping me below, hit the website, reach out to us. We're always here to help.